Drawing, one-point perspective. One-point perspective is a drawing method that shows how things appear to get smaller as they get further away, converging towards a single vanishing point on the horizon line. The vanishing point is where all parallel lines intersect and is always on the horizon line. The horizon line is the point where the earth meets the sky. It is always at eye level. Hey class, so today we'll be covering one-point perspective. So the few materials that we'll use today is a pencil, a marker, and a ruler. All right, let's get started. So with one-point perspective, one of the first things that you need to make on your paper is something called the horizon line. Now, the horizon line is the line that comes across your paper, just like that, but it shows your eye level, right? So, one-point perspective is where you have a point on the page and everything refers back to that one point. It's as if you're standing in the middle of a road looking at one point, one way. Everything kind of projects and recedes back into that one point that you're looking at. And that's why it's one-point perspective. So your horizon line is always going to be at your eye level. So I'm going to start by drawing a point right here, just so you all can see this point in the middle. And one-point perspective deals heavily with parallel lines. All right, so I'm going to start off by doing a rectangle. Drawing a rectangle. Just like this. Okay, so now from this rectangle I created, I'm going to go from my point to the corner right here, from the point to the corner, and I'm going to draw a line, right? I want to start my line at the corner right here, and I'm just going to draw out off of the page. Now I'll draw some dotted lines so that you can see what my point is looking like. And then I'm just going to repeat the same process over again. Just like that. Just like that. So now what I have is the basis to the start of my room. Okay, so I want to draw a doorway. What will that look like? So I'm going to draw a line going up right here. I'm going to meet this point with this point right here. So point 1 to point 2, coming over just like this. I'll draw my dotted lines for you all so that you guys can see where it's coming from. Just like that. And I'm gonna come back down. And I'm gonna come back down straight with the parallel line to the first line I created. Just like this. Now, I have the start to my doorway, but I want to make it look like my room goes inside of the doorway. So I want to erase this line right here. I'm going to draw a line parallel to the horizon line right here. And I'm just going to come up with it vertically. Just like that. And now I want to make my room look like it has a little bit more depth in it, which I can come here with the back wall and match this wall right here. And what it does is it gives the illusion that my room you can enter. Okay, so I want to now do a little bit of a rug that's coming out of the space. So now with my lines coming out, relating back to this point, I want to bring it over here, draw my line. From that point to this one, coming here, coming down. Now I want to make a bit of a, let's just say I'm making a TV on the wall. So coming from this point, dot, 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 I want to come out. I want to come up vertically. I want to come back this way, point to point. Just like that. And I'm going to draw my line. Okay, so now I have a wall, a doorway, TV, a rug going on, and let's just say I want to draw a bookshelf underneath the TV. What will I do? So I want to first start with a horizontal line. So I'll come up a little bit so that you guys can see the fullness of it. Horizontal line coming this way. And I meet it at the corner of the wall because the bookshelf is going to be along this wall. I want to come up to show the height of the bookshelf. So I'm going to make the bookshelf about this tall. Then I want to continue my box, a rectangular box over, so horizontally across, match our lines here, just like that. We're not going to see this part of the wall anymore. Then I'm going to come here and match my points, like so. Just like that. Then I'm going to come back again horizontally. Make my line just like that. And I'm going to come back down vertically. Just like this. And I want to get rid of anything in here that doesn't belong. So now I can come here, draw a line down. Then if I want to add any shelves, let's just say I want to have a shelf kind of going through the middle of it like this. I want to come this way, but then because it's underneath my horizon line, I'm going to see the top of each shelf. So I want to make a horizontal line from the top of the bookshelf that goes in just like this. And just like before, point to point, just like that. And now we have a hallway. So this is the basis of a room in a 1-point perspective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.